Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fill out your SBA disaster loan application in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to do this. It's a really simple process, okay? Here's the application. I'm going to type the first one. Most likely the number 1 and number 2 will apply to most people. But I'm on this one here. I'm going to click all of these because I'm not engaged in any illegal activities. I don't owe child support. I don't have a farm. I'm not a lobbyist. Illegal gambling. None of this stuff applies to me, so I'm just going to check all that stuff off. Next, I'm going to put my company's name here. I'm just going to make up a name. I'll go with cleaning company. And then if you guys have a trade name, you could put your trade name here. I'll put the cleaning company. Then on the next line, put your EIN number or your social security number if you are a sole proprietorship. Okay. We're just going to make up some numbers here. Then on the next line, it asks you for your organization type. So click your organization type. Is the applicant a non-profit organization? You click yes or no. Okay. I'm going to put no. No, I'm not a franchise. And right here wants to know your gross. Your gross and what you made for 2019. From January the 1st, 2019, all the way to January 31st, 2020. Okay. I'm just going to skip all of this. That doesn't apply to me. I'm going to fill out my business address. I'm just going to put 2100 Jackson Street, Savannah, Georgia. I'll put the area code here, put your phone number. And it's a really, really simple application to fill out, guys. Put your email address here. I'll make one up, cleaning@gmail.com. This is your date business was established. Then on the next line, you're going to put your current ownership since what date. I'll put the same date. Now, on the next line, it says business activity. Business activity. For this, I'm going to put... I think I'm going to change that. Business services. Although we do provide business services, I think I'm going to change it to personal services. There we go. Personal services. And then detailed business activity. We are a maid service. Okay. So next here, we're going to put the owner's name. I'll put Billie Jean. Oh, I have to put that on the next line. Okay, then you write your phone number here. Right here, you write your title, owner, ownership, 100%. Email address, cleaning@gmail.com. Social security number, your date of birth, and your place of birth right here. It's a really, really simple application. It wouldn't hurt to fill it out. You know, give it a try, you guys. It's $10,000. You can get $10,000 and you don't have to pay it back. So I just completed mine, so I'm just showing you guys exactly what I did. Now right here is your address once again. You put your city, your state, your zip. I think I forgot something. Is your business owned by a business entity? No. All right. We're almost to the promised land. Additional information. I'm going to put a no here, no criminal offense. I'm going to put another no here. No, no, no. I'm just going to skip this part here. Then I will click yes, I would like to be considered for the advanced 10,000. Then you will put in your banking information. I'll put Bank of Katrina. Put in your account number, your routing number, and you guys are all set. That is how simple the process is to fill out for your SBA business loan. So if you haven't filled out for your loan, you can click down. The link is below, okay? All you have to do is click the link and it will take you directly to this application, okay? Fill it out. You have nothing to lose. This is $10,000 that you do not have to pay back. If you know me, I'm not a fan of loans, but if I ain't got to pay it back, why not? Bye-bye.